Baby. What's the matter? This is the other end of that electric fence coming up this fence line. And it comes to here. Insulator block, winch. And the wire comes around and clips onto there. So I've got access through. But that's it. And the cattle never come out. Now that we're out in the pastures, you'll see that we're looking at the third pasture there. This is the second pasture, and we have the pastures divided into 5, and this is a typical electric fence connection that I do now. What it uses the spring-loaded. So when I disconnect that, this end is cold and then becomes cold. When I connect that, it becomes hot. It's got a spring. I use 3mm wire, and I use a double loop system here, so it's connected to that. And then on here, you can see that stainless steel wire. Now Steve, mate of mine, got me a coil of that. That's not alive, so I'll touch it. It's welding wire, MIG welding wire, stainless steel. It's probably 1.5 gauge, not sure 1.5mm, 1.2mm, but you can see it running down there and the star pickets. Those star pickets are a long way apart because the wire is light and it's only one wire, just over knee height off the ground. And when that's alive, the cattle will not touch it, they will not go through it. What does do damage to the wire stretches it is kangaroos, and occasionally they'll back into it and go crazy. But on this side here we have, it gets doubled around the peg there, and then I have these tensions. That's a stainless steel tensioner. It unclips and clips on that, and all I do is wrap it and it puts tension in that cable. So that's all it is. It's all you need, one wire. And the reason I use the fine stainless steel is because mate of mine got it for me for nothing, and well, he probably paid a little bit for it because he got it from one of the dumps. And it's lightweight, so it lasts. I had 2 coils of it, and they're used up now, and they run at least 5 k's of wiring. I do put these braces on now because it helps the wire staying taut. I'll just go and show you another section of the electric fence. Okay, this corner post divides pasture 3 and pasture 4. This was originally here, and you can see some of the original ribbon tape down there. But we put in this strainer insulators, and again a gate here which goes up to the other end, which we just had a look at, and down this way this wire goes all the way down across the third dam wall and towards the yards. These are all their internal electric fences. There's about 5 k's worth of them. Okay, so we've just come out to the furthest electric fence from the house. This is dividing. Okay, we have a steer. No ear tags. No brand. So 7.9, 8.5, 8.7, it's about 8,000 volts. And to get through the gates, we just unhook that, throw that away, and that's still live. I have one panel in this fence. It's literally a foot off the ground. Just one bay, and then it goes back up to the normal height. So I'll show you what that's for. It enables me to ride straight across it with the quad bike. So I don't have to open any gates, drop any wires. Because the bottom of the quad bike has got a flat plate on it, and it allows it to slide across a wire like that. So it's got a skid plate, so I can just slide straight over it. So I can go and fill the water up, just drive straight onto the pasture. Makes it so much easier. So just put one of your panels down to, look, I'll be 10 inches off the ground. It's not very high anyway. There's my foot, probably 10 inches. And then it wanders back up to knee height again. And then I have a tensioner there. The spring's being overstretched. So I probably need to put a new handle on that at some point. And that's it. Calf don't go through it. Cattle don't go through it. Everybody's happy. Anyway, thanks for coming along, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.